Come visit Lilydale this summer. Learn about this magical home of spiritualism in Western New York, and learn about astrology. Or take any of the other multitude of classes on meditation, healing, mediumship, and all subjects magical and promoting of self-healing. I'll be teaching a 3-hour class in Lilydale on August 23rd from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30. It's called QuickStart to Astrology. I'll teach you some key concepts you can use to understand the most important themes in your chart, including your main purpose here this life, as well as past life issues that you've come to resolve. And we'll start by looking at the chart of a well-known celebrity. Afterwards, we'll look at the charts of some of the people in the class. Now let's take a quick tour of Lilydale. If you're interested in making a pilgrimage here, there are several guest houses to stay at, right on the premises, putting you in walking distance of all the services, classes, and other activities that occur throughout each day in the summer season. Visit the auditorium, which is open for services daily. The auditorium also accommodates special events and classes. Now, during the summer season, you can also experience outdoor services. Pictured here is the Forest Temple, where mediums faithfully conduct services twice a day. Hiding behind those street signs is the Healing Temple, which is open daily for both healing and meditation. Now let's head on over to Inspiration Stump. Here's the historical trail to Inspiration Stump. This sacred amphitheater is where mediums have been receiving messages from Spirit for over 140 years. People travel here from all over the world to receive a message from loved ones who have crossed to the other side. Lilydale has a rich history dating back to 1879 and has hosted many notable visitors, including the famous suffragist Susan B. Anthony, movie star Mae West, magician Harry Houdini, and President Franklin Roosevelt, just to name a few. The spirit of serenity pervades Lilydale, but we're not lacking in modern-day attractions. You can drop into one of our on-site shops. You can pick up books, crystals, clothing, spiritual articles, and let's not forget our restaurants. In Lilydale, you can dine both indoors and outdoors. We also have a coffee house, which has become a hub of social activity. And you can always find solitude walking in our forest. Or feel the peace of sitting by the lake. This is just a small sampling of what's available to you in this magical hamlet. Well, I hope I see you on August 23rd at my astrology class. But if you're not interested in astrology, just come and experience Lilydale.